Imagine a world where the boundary between human intuition and machine calculation completely disappears, transforming everything we know about our reality. Look closely into the digital mirror. What if the greatest invention in the history of humanity also happens to be its very last? Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence. I'm Master William, and today we explore why we have reached a critical tipping point. At its core, AI is about machines mimicking human intelligence to solve problems that were once thought impossible for silicon and software. The explosion of massive data and unprecedented computing power has moved AI from science fiction into our pockets and our daily routines. Think about how you start your day. AI is the silent architect behind your morning news, your commute, and your entertainment choices. From Netflix recommendations to GPS navigation and facial recognition, algorithms are constantly shaping our world and narrowing our vast choices. As we move into the workplace, the conversation shifts toward labor. Many fear displacement, yet we are seeing a remarkable evolution of work. While traditional roles change, new industries like prompt engineering and AI ethics are emerging, requiring a unique blend of technical and human skills. In the realm of healthcare, AI is literally a lifesaver. It analyzes medical imagery with a level of detail that surpasses the human eye. Drug discovery that once took decades now happens in months, providing early diagnoses and personalized treatments for some of our most challenging diseases. However, this power comes with significant risks. We must address the loss of privacy and the inherent biases buried deep within algorithmic code. The black box problem remains. If we don't fully understand how AI makes its decisions, how can we truly trust the outcomes? Looking ahead to 2045, we envision smart cities where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner woven into the very fabric of society. We are transitioning from using technology to collaborating with it. AI is a mirror reflecting our own human potential and our deepest flaws. The future isn't something that simply happens to us. It is a destiny we are actively building every single day. Stay curious and stay informed. Subscribe for more and tell us in the comments. Do you see AI as a friend or a foe?